Hi, I'm Tiffany, and this is Broke Girl Aesthetic. On this channel, I do budget-friendly DIYs, thrift flips and hauls, trashy treasures, and more. In today's video, I am showcasing a couple of my favorite products from Plaid Crafts. So hang out with me for just a couple of minutes and see what I think about these items. Here I've got this lantern that I got from Amazon a while ago, and I think I want to give it a refresh. So I'm going to paint it. I want to go ahead and take that candle out. I thought I was going to paint the inside, but I ended up not doing that. But I'm going to use the Waverly White chalk paint for this. I am going to give it a layer of some Mod Podge just to make sure that that paint is going to stay. And here I was trying to see if I could get the glass out, but it just didn't want to come out. So I said, it's fine. I'll just tape off the glass. It's fine. We'll just tape it. And then we can go on with it like that. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and cover this with a good layer of Mod Podge first to make sure that I have something to adhere to. It is metal, and I didn't want to sand it. So yeah, and then I'm just going to go ahead and, like I said, use the Waverly chalk paint in white. And I won't make you sit through all that. I'll just go ahead and get it painted now. So now I've got it painted. It's finished. There are some spots where it kind of it looks like it's chipped away or whatever, and I didn't paint the inside because I just didn't feel like it. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to coat this with the outdoor formula of Mod Podge. I'm not going to sit it outside, but I do want it to be really well sealed. So that's what I'm going to do is go ahead and coat it with that. And that's that. It's a cute little refresh, and I like it a little better this way. Let me know what you think. Would you have left it black or painted the inside? This is part of the Plaid Ambassadors collab. A bunch of us get together and do a collab every so often, and there's almost always a very special giftaway of Plaid products. So to enter to win that, make sure you watch and like all of the videos. Each one of us is going to feature a Plaid product that we love, and that will be our secret word. So make sure you leave a comment with that secret word or product in the comment of each video. This is open to the continental US, and the winner will be drawn, or will be chosen, January 21st at 5 Eastern Standard Time. So make sure you get your comments in for that. More information on that will be in the description box below, as well as a link to the playlist and all of these fantastic creators. They will all be tagged or linked in my description box as well. So make sure you check all that out. So let me show you my next two Plaid favorites, starting with this. Now, I got this Dollar Tree vinyl to try out, and I'm just using one of their the Starbucks disposable cups, but I like to keep them, so I'm going to go ahead and just use the dishwasher safe Mod Podge to seal in this vinyl. I've used this cup a few times with that Dollar Tree vinyl on, and nothing has come off. I've just hand washed it, just, you know, gently. And I don't have a dishwasher. I just want to make sure I seal this in, so that way, if I do need to wash the cup, that this vinyl's not going anywhere. So this is just a very simple, easy, quick, I mean, it's not really is it really a DIY? It's kind of a part of a DIY. I'm finishing a DIY. I've already done part of it. Now I'm finishing it. But I really love the dishwasher safe Mod Podge for applications like this, or for decorating trays, sealing in paints or vinyls for things like that, just in case there's spills or whatever. So I'm just going to do that. I'm just going to go ahead and paint this on with a brush. I'm using kind of a thin coat for right now. I do go a little bit heavier. I do go like in a second thin layer, just to make sure I've got all of the vinyl covered. Now, something important to note about this product, it does have a 28-day cure time. Now, what that means is that while I'm painting this on now and later on tonight, or a couple hours later, is dry, okay, and I went ahead and started using it again. That 28-day cure time is so you can actually put it in your dishwasher. You can, after it's dried for a few hours, hand wash. Would I suggest it? No. If you're just rinsing the inside, you could probably be okay with that. It can get water on it, but it does take 28 days for the dishwasher safe capability to be activated, I guess you want to say. So, which again, excuse me, it's fine with me because I don't actually have a dishwasher. So it's going to last me for ages because of that, I guess. So, yep, I just let that dry and that's done. And for this one, I'm doing a wood round sign. You may have already seen it. It was in a recent video of mine. I'm going to paint this with the Waverly chalk paint in white. And if you recall, just a few minutes ago, I said that we all are featuring a product that we love from Plaid. And that is my featured product, is Waverly white chalk paint, which is the secret word or phrase in this case. So again, make sure you use that in your comment on this video, and each person will have their own. So make sure you watch all the videos so you can enter. We'll get lots of cool stuff, I'm sure. So here what I'm doing is I am using the chippy brush from Plaid, and I am dry brushing very, very gently the Waverly chalk paint elephant. I like a very subtle weathering. I'm not into like the heavy distressing personally. See, and even I went a little more heavy handed than I normally like, but that's okay because I can just go back over with the white and I just brush and blend and brush and blend and tap it on there, tap it off of there. So it gives me the look that I want, which is just very, just very subtle. So now I'm taking this red Cricut vinyl, and I already have my words cut out from my Cricut. It just says Hello Valentine, just something simple. And that is applied to my wood round now. And for the two little hearts, I'm painting them pink. Now, I didn't have the pink color I wanted, so I'm mixing two different pink colors together to get the pink that I was looking for. And I'm just trying to figure out how I want to lay them out. The original idea came from Sammy at Unicorn Dust Designs. This was a dupe of one of her designs. It's a bit different, but so I have that now. I'm taking these paints to, like I said, to mix them up. And it is the Paradise Pink for the Apple Barrel multi-surface and Vintage Victorian for the Folk Art Home Decor chalk paint. And that was pretty much the exact pink I was looking for. The Paradise Pink was a little too much and the Vintage Victorian was just not enough. So I put the two together and it was perfect. So I just hot glue those down to my sign and a little staggered bit there. And then I'm going to put just a big bow up top. On Sammy's design, her little hearts were bigger and had tiny little bows, but I couldn't quite do mine that way. So I'm just kind of departing from hers, and it's more of an inspired piece. Just taking some wired buffalo check ribbon that I have, and I'm not going to, I said this in my original video, I'm not going to torture you with watching me try to figure out how I'm putting this bow together. It was a painful, arduous process, let me tell you. It took me a good 10 minutes to work out what I was trying to do with my ribbon here. Because I was trying to use up scraps, I wasn't trying to, you know, get in and dig out a whole roll. So there it is. It's done. And I just need to glue it down. And I speed up through this process of just gluing all the parts together, and I glued a little hanger so I can hang it up, and it's pretty much that's pretty much it. It was really easy to do, and yeah, I was just trying to figure out how to put some extra tails on, but it works out in the end anyway. So there it is. Really cute, and you know, using one of my absolute favorite products, that Waverly White chalk paint. So let me know what you guys think of these in the comments, and I will show you the finished results. Here's how that door hanger looks, and it's pretty cute. I like that one a lot. I love that white Waverly chalk paint. And the dishwasher safe Mod Podge holds up super well, and I am pretty happy with this little refresh of this lantern. But you guys let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on all the rest of the videos. Spread that YouTube goodness. That playlist and everybody's links are in my description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, y'all. Bye.